artificial intelligence will replace humans is a topic of ongoing debate and speculation. While AI has made significant advancements in various fields, it is unlikely to completely replace humans in the foreseeable future. Let's see few reasons. AI is well suited for performing specific tasks that can be automated and require data analysis, pattern recognition, or computational power. However, these tasks are often narrow in scope and do not encompass the entirety of human capabilities. Humans possess a wide range of skills that extend beyond cognitive abilities. Emotional intelligence, creativity, intuition, empathy, and adaptability are among the many traits that humans bring to the table. These skills are crucial in areas such as social interactions, complex decision making, and problem solving, while AI currently struggles to match human performance. The integration of AI into society raises significant ethical concerns. The idea of AI completely replacing humans in various roles can lead to widespread unemployment, economic inequality, and social disruption. These concerns necessitate a balanced approach to ensure that AI technology is developed and utilized responsibly in a way that augments human capabilities rather than replacing them entirely. Many challenges faced by society today require a combination of knowledge from multiple domains, including social sciences, humanities, and practical experience. Collaborative efforts involving people from diverse backgrounds are often necessary to address complex problems effectively. While AI can assist in analyzing data and generating insights, it cannot replace the value of diverse human perspectives and expertise. Instead of focusing on replacement, it is more productive to consider how AI can be used as a tool to enhance human capabilities, improve efficiency, and tackle complex problems. The goal should be to create a symbiotic relationship between humans and AI where both work together to achieve greater outcomes than either could accomplish alone. I hope you all like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comment section. All thanks for watching.